What is a patent registration service and why is it important? Well, I've got a couple of things in mind. One thing in particular, this makes me think of spam.
Yeah,
Spam
me too.
alert.
Yep.
Um,
They're gonna put you on some like fancy Rolodex index of registered trademarks that nobody ever cares or sees. And
the governing body of registered marks of the world. Like, oh,
yeah,
for $600, you'll be added to our list. Like, it doesn't have any legal bearing. So, patent registration service, I don't think is actually a thing.
right.
As you can have a patent agent represent you and
Yep.
research, file your application for you, represents you between you and the inventor. Patent attorney certainly can represent you, give you legal opinions as well. That's what we do here at Bold. I think you got the wrong wording, perhaps. A patent registration service sounds like somebody's trying to scam you. Maybe
It sounds official because it's like, patent registration service, capital P, R, and S, right? So it's like,
yeah.
Probably someone's trying to pull a fast one. We see those a lot on the trademark side of things. The World Trademark Protection Service, WTP, or whatever it is, whatever acronym they're using these days.
Yeah, with a really fancy logo with the eagle and everything. It's like, oh, the crest. Well, that's my guess. If anybody else is online, they want to do some Googling or to challenge me on that, if there is such a thing, let me know.